President Uhuru Kenyatta ni ateteire ngwataniro yake na mutongoria wake makia ODM Raila Odinga ona thengia munini wake William Ruto na ambunge amwe Jubilee kuga ati kwaya gukorwo Uhuru ni ubekirwo kiihundugo-ini yao yake uteti.
They're going nowhere. They're going nowhere, and they must be served. They must be addressed. Their issues must be resolved. And how do you do it without talking?
Uhuru augite ngwataniro iyo irongoreirie kurehe urumwe na ukuria wa bururi na ndari hindi agitiganiria miena imwe ya bururi ati tondu ndiamuthurire.
And I really beseech our leaders, let us stop. Let us stop politicizing nothing. This is a challenge that we have as a country and as a people, and we can only address it together.
Miaria no yukite oriri atongoria thiini wa kiama kia Jubilee makoretwo makierekeria migwe yao ya kiuteti kuri ngwataniro yo makiuga jama iria yambikitwo ni Odinga ni kuhuthira kiugo ungumania kunina Jubilee.
Wale wengine ambao wanataka kutuletea mambo ya siasa ya kupingana na ugomvi na mambo ya chuki na mambo ya migawanyiko, sisi tunawaambia hiyo michezo tuliwachana naye. Sisi ni watu wa wera, kazi na maendeleo na umoja. Hiyo ndio kazi yetu.
There is no political intention of hurting this person or fighting that person or doing this person, but we must come together, because if we can't come together and deal with these challenges, it is going to hurt each and every one of us.
Minister maiganona ni mandikithitie riboti ciĩgiĩ ungumania na rũhonge rwa ũthuthuria wa ngero cia wĩkinaĩ DCI. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Kĩama Kariũki.